right, what's up, y'all? 2013-2014 NBA Fantasy Draft out here with Alan.
We got Will right here.
Got Willski.
Willski on the FaceTime.
We're gonna do this draft live. I got all the teams in here, so we're gonna start 12 down to 1. So I'll let you pick first, Al.
All right. This is for the number 12 pick. What kind of paper is this? Alright, 12th pick goes to Team 12. Team 12 is to be announced because we need one more team. So if you know anybody, come hit D up.
All right, team. Our pick number 11. Let's see what we got.
Will know.
Alan's gay.
It's all good. I'll take 12. I'll take 11.
No, that's not a team name.
I'll take 11.
Yeah, the actual 11th pick
Wait,
is
man, that's my turn, man.
No, that's not a pick.
Oh, that's not. Oh, I would take 11, man.
Testes Takeover. That's Melvin. Testes Takeover.
Testes Takeover.
All right, go ahead, Al.
All right, number 10. Number 10. Number 10 goes to Billy Ho is a bitch. Billy Ho.
I got the 10th pick.
Billy Ho.
All right, let's see what we got here.
Number 9. Why are you looking at the hat when you're looking down?
I'm not. Number 9. Diamonds up.
Oh my god.
All right, Al's number 9.
All right, number 8. Annihilation Nation.
Aaron. That's Aaron. All right, that's 8. What are we on? 7?
7.
Number 7 here. We got Your Mom Loves My Reddick. Rob, last year's winner.
Alright, number 6. Number 6 goes to We Staticize.
That's Kelvin.
Staticize.
All right. Number 5 goes to
Halftime Henny.
Halftime Hennessy, VJ.
For Will over there sweating. So Will sweating. This is 4?
Number 4.
Alright, number 4. Rob's still on this too?
Yep.
Oh no,
He's out. Yeah, number 4.
Alright, number 4. 2 Chains. 2 Chains. 2 Chains. Number 4.
Number 3 is Squadrocess, Ron Q.
Who's up, Rob? No, Rob. Big Fan?
Ron, Brian still in there, yep.
Alright, number 3.
Number 3. Alan loves the D.
Wait, what number are we on?
No, number 2.
Oh, number 2? Oh, okay. Number 2. Basketballic Addiction. Big.
Right.
Big fan.
That means with the number 1 pick, we got My Illegitimate Kids. That's Jesse. Well, that wraps it up. That's the draft order. Check the website for all the rules and the payout and all that good stuff, and we'll get back to you. Peace, fellas.
Peace. Man, Will.
Why did you get a cock shot?
See this one, Will? Alan loves the D.
Alan gives it.